Hello and welcome to another Metapaper tutorial. Today we will look at how to order paper via our online shop at metapaper.io. First, you'll go to metapaper.io and you will land on our homepage. You can find the shop up in the top in the header. If you click on that, you will enter the shop. Normally, if it's your first time, another screen will pop up asking you for a location. The use for that is because the shop needs to calculate the price depending on the location you're at or delivering to. So you'll need to fill in that information first. Because I'm logged in already, it won't ask me for now. So after you've entered the shop, you will see a product overview in different categories. And also here is a navigation. Later on you will notice that every time you enter something new, the navigation is getting longer and getting more dots. But we'll come to that later. So the product categories are paper, stationery, multi-loft, our samples, printed or unprinted samples, and our paper selector also goes in here, and the unique papers by Mohawk. Today we will order paper. So let's go to paper. As you can see, after I've chosen the paper, I will land here, first the surface. So you can find all the surfaces available shown here, and we will choose the surface extra rough. After I've chosen the surface, I need to choose a shade. You can always choose between cold white, white, and warm white, with some exceptions, but most of the time it's exactly that. We will choose white, and for the grammage, we will choose 105 grams square meters. When choosing in format, when you click on select format, it will show you all the formats available for this paper in a drop-down menu. The different sizes are written in the international format, meaning depending on how it is written, you can see whether it's long grain or short grain. So this would be long grain and this is short grain. We will take the 102 by 72 in short grain. After we've chosen all these things, you will get the overview and says your configuration. We've chosen paper extra rough in the shade white with the grammage 105 grams per square meter in the format 102 by 72 centimeters in short grain. And scrolling further down, you get to enter a quantity. So I'm just gonna enter 1 and we'll jump to the next possible quantity, meaning the minimum quantity for the big size would be 10 sheets. And you also see the inventory below in green. So that's the current available quantity that is in our warehouse, but it does not include the quantity that might be on the way or entering the warehouse shortly. Also, if there is insufficient inventory, you would also click on that and it can show you the date that the next order is approximately about to arrive. If you need bigger quantities, you probably need the indent prices. You can see them here as a reference. Of course, if you need a quotation, you would simply contact us and we will calculate your concretion. And last but not least, you get a price overview. The price is always displayed in 100 kilograms unit or 1,000 sheet units. And this price always includes a standard delivery, but not with tax. So after you've checked everything and it's all correct, you will add the item to the cart. If you needed to add another thing, you could go back to the shop, but for now we will go to the shopping cart directly. Now, you will get an overview over all the articles you've put into your cart. You can also proofread whether the quantity is correct, for example, and you could enter a reference. Here we will just enter reference tutorial. Also, maybe you needed more than 10, so I've decided I want to change it to 20 sheets, and we'll refresh the cart. After it updated, you will get a new price as well as the new information, but the customer reference will stay. Also, here it will show the delivery region that is set up right now, but you can change that further on in the process. Let's go to the checkout. First, you will need to choose a payment address. I would just choose this one. And at this point, you could either choose to ship it to this address, or you could also enter a different delivery address. But we will take this address as the delivery address too. Now, you get to choose between different delivery options. You get a standard delivery. There is no extra charge for that. But also different express delivery options in case it is very urgent, and you can choose it here. We will take the standard delivery and continue further on. Now to the payment options, we will choose invoice, but you also get to choose other options as well. Let's continue. Now, coming to the end, we will get to review our order. The billing address, the delivery address, our payment option, and also all the articles. We only have one, but all the articles you've put into your cart with the customer reference. Also, once more, what shipping option you've chosen. And if you have a voucher, you could enter the code here and redeem it. And last but not least, you get another overview over the price. So the value of goods is listed, shipping options in case you have extra charge for express delivery. You get the price without VAT and with VAT, of course, because we are delivering in Germany. So this would be the total price. You need to accept the terms of trade, and you have to be a commercial customer or a student in order to be able to buy. We will click on Buy Now. And after you've seen this page, your order is finished. You will now get a confirmation email, and also if you need to check on your order or even order it once more, you can find it in your order history in your profile. And of course, in case you have any questions or something is bothering you, don't hesitate to contact us at service@metapaper.io, and we will help you as good as we can. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening, and have a nice day.